This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi without gochujang paste. First, you'll need to prepare your napa cabbage. Cut about 2 pounds of cabbage into 2-inch pieces, then rinse them thoroughly. In a large bowl, toss the cabbage with 1/4 cup of coarse sea salt, ensuring every piece is coated. Let it sit for approximately 2 hours, allowing the salt to draw out excess moisture. This brining step is crucial for achieving the perfect kimchi texture and flavor. Next, let's create our flavorful paste, replacing the gochujang. In a food processor, combine 1/2 cup of Korean chili powder, a generous amount of minced garlic, and fresh grated ginger. Add a small onion, a few tablespoons of fish sauce, and a touch of sugar for balance. Blend until you have a thick, vibrant paste. This mixture will provide the signature spicy and savory notes that make kimchi so delicious. After brining, rinse your cabbage under cold water at least 3 times to remove excess salt, then drain it very well. Gently squeeze out any remaining water without bruising the leaves. In a large bowl, combine the drained cabbage with your prepared chili paste. Use gloved hands to thoroughly massage the paste into every piece of cabbage. Pack the mixture tightly into clean jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Allow your kimchi to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on your desired sourness. You'll notice small bubbles forming, indicating active fermentation. Once it reaches your preferred taste, transfer the jars to the refrigerator, where it will continue to ferment slowly and keep for several weeks. Enjoy your homemade kimchi as a side dish, in stews, or with rice. It's incredibly versatile. And speaking of enjoying things anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This delicious, homemade kimchi is a fantastic way to add flavor and probiotics to your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.